Okay, here I have my 2007 919. I bought it brand new. Everything on it right now is stock. The only modification I've made to it was the flapper mod, which is just removing the vacuum tube off of the airbox. I'm making 3 videos. This one is going to be a video on just the stock pipes, or cans as they're called. I just wanted to document the sound on those. I have a set of Saito carbon fiber slip-ons coming. So I'm going to get actually 3 videos, one with the stock exhaust, one without the exhaust cans on, and then with the Saito exhaust. So follow up on my other videos as they come along. Should be about a week, and we'll listen to it and see how it sounds.